Afternoon All Saints Academy students, welcome to demonstrations and lineup we've got for you in support of the Cheltenham Science Festival. This week we're going to focus on the theme of space. So it's something that you've looked forward to, especially in lessons. We're going to demonstrate this to you. So the first experiment, we're going to look at how that thrust is generated from the rocket engine. So it is a thermite reaction which you might have seen on the Flashbang Friday videos. So let's hope this works. And now that you've seen that, there's an experiment that you could try at home which involves using some vinegar and some baking powder. So I'm just going to demonstrate this to you. Okay, so we've got a bottle. Okay. Make sure you do seek parental's advice when you're trying this at home. It does create a little bit of mess, which is exactly what we want. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, you're going to add about a quarter amount of vinegar. I am going to be generous and add a little more than that, almost half the bottle. To that, we're going to add some red food dye. Remember to ask your parents to see if they've got any of this dye. I've had a couple of drops of red dye or food colouring to that. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is add some dish soap because we want to create enough thrust or froth to demonstrate that we've got what could look like the thermite reaction which I just demonstrated. So I'm just going to add some baking powder to my water. You can get baking powder from all supermarkets or from your local convenience store. I'm going to stir this in. Okay, and make sure you're ready and you stand back. You will need a tray or you'll need a plate, and let's see how well this works. And that's something you could try at home as long as you ask the parents. Okay, the next demonstration we're going to try, and the final one, involves a balloon rocket, which you probably haven't seen before.
Probably not, maybe not. Ivan, Mr. Askew here, quite simple. Over here, we've got string. We've got a bit of a straw connected to the string, basically acting as a rocket. We've got a balloon. As you probably well know, when you release the balloon, it should go away. So this is going to act basically as our rocket fuel type of stuff. Basically, Newton's third law, as gas is going that way, it's going to provide a force on that way. So, releasing in 3, 2, 1. And it's going, and it's actually quite a good thing, okay? Hopefully next time we do that, it's actually a bit better. But tune in for more times for videos and look forward to more experiments.